guys, it is a very late start to this vlog. It's Monday and I woke up at 12 o'clock. It's about 2 o'clock right now. So I just had my meal in the morning. That's oats and egg whites. I don't know what I'll be doing at the gym today. I do have a lot of energy, but then let's see. Yeah, there are days when I wake up very late and I don't want to do anything. So it was one of those lazy Mondays. It's not going to be a vegetarian what I eat in a day, because it is impossible for me to live without non-veg. Like, I love it so much. If I don't eat eggs, my day is incomplete. It's a personal preference. Oh, just a fact, I was vegetarian all my life. I saw the butcher cutting the hen and hence I decided not to eat it anymore. But 2 years back when I started gymming, it became a little difficult for me to survive without non-veg food, because it's much easier to prep for me. So I gradually started with boneless chicken, and right now as well I can eat boneless, and I'm slowly incorporating fish into my diet. Let's see how it goes. I mean, I love non-veg. Now I cannot live without it. That's a different story. But I love veg food equally if it's made well. It's amazing taste. And I'm a great chef, bro. So, yeah. I bet you will never ever meet a smartass like me. I forgot my shoes. I got out of my car outside my gym and I see my bag and there were no shoes inside of it. So now I'll go back home. And my gym is about 10 to 12 kilometers away from where I stay. So I'll go back, I'll get my shoes and then to the gym. This is how clumsy I am in real life, and forgetful too, and very lazy, like so lazy. If I can, get my things right, and if I can do my work on time, if I can get my ass up for my workouts, then I'm sure you can do it too. I get to drive. Like, driving is my passion. Apart from fitness, if something that I really love is driving. If I'm feeling very low, I'll make myself a cup of iced coffee and I'll go alone for drives. I pretend to be a rock star when I'm alone inside the car. Last week I couldn't work out at all. I strained a muscle, it was minor, so that was okay, but doctor told me to rest, and that is just because of less flexibility, and hence I cannot keep on stressing about it, that you really need to work on your stretchings as well, so that you don't meet with such injuries. And today I'm going after a week and I'm all pumped up, and gym is life, bro. Gym is life. Not gym, but any kind of physical activity is for me. I don't know, I don't think I would have been this person today who I am if not gym. I am obsessed with improving myself every day. Like, I assign myself one task every day that I want to do something new. So if you might have seen my Instagram feed, now I've started taking pictures as well. Until now it was just selfies, and that is one of the major fear I had in life, is getting camera conscious. I tackled that fear. I mean, I feel so good about it. I am much more confident in posing now. I mean, it's been just a day or two that I've tackled it, but I feel like a complete different person. If you scroll through my Instagram, you'll see all mirror selfies or selfies, normal selfies. But posing for the camera was one of the conscious which I had, and I am so glad I tackled it before 2016. And probably next year in 2017, I would love to learn swimming. I'm hydrophobic, so I would really want to tackle that fear as well. Assign yourself one task every day, which is something new, and which can be a major task or which can be a minor task, but something that will help you improve. If you say a word a lot many times, like if you curse a lot, so maybe just assign yourself a task saying I wouldn't curse today, or anything that's out of your comfort zone. Like, if you do not like wearing t-shirts, just tell I'm gonna wear t-shirt. If you don't like wearing caps, say I'm gonna wear cap today. So that is a very small task, but trust me, that will make a lot of difference, like lot of difference. I hope you try that out someday. Like, this morning I thought, let us do something crazy, like wake up very late, and I did that. And my mom, she was really pissed at me, and it's about 2:30, 3 o'clock, and yet she's not talking, saying I've been very lazy lately. But I really had no energy to wake up this morning. I was very sleepy, so I thought just let it sleep.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Right now because I wanted to stock on some things like fish and groceries. I will probably take you around if they don't tell me to stop shooting. I hope they don't because I'm going to be very sneaky about it. Meet my friend Subhita.
Hi.
Very dull hi.
What do you expect from me? Oh, hi.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
450 का कॉफी इतना था. I'm gonna get this basa fish because I'm very lazy to clean it at home and make it. So one of this tilapia fish. This is like millet and it gives me 28 grams of carb in one serving, which is very underrated in India. I'm just gonna get it and try some recipe out of it. Can I put these in my cart, please? You know which is my favorite biscuit?
Which?
वो हाँ, milk bikis. I really love these. माफ कसम 50 रुपए का हवा है. Popcorn.
Smart way of packaging and earning money.
60 rupees
Per hawa?
per hawa. You get Nutella here whenever you come so that you lose 1 kg a day. We are searching for a car. किधर है?
किधर है? कहाँ हो तुम? कहाँ हो तुम?
We did not even see the number. कहाँ पे पार्क किया था?
आ रही.
Coming towards you. I just got back home. I'm really tired and very hungry. I'll have few nuts and then take a bath, get fresh, and make myself some dinner. I don't know what to make. Let's see. This is my dinner. My mom made some basa fish which I got. I'll ask her the recipe next time so that you can see how it's made. This is the pesto sauce and I'm obsessed with pesto sauce, so I make it almost every day now. And here I have some lettuce, cherry tomatoes and bell peppers. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog which I filmed yesterday. It was very random and this is how I am in real life as well. I don't force myself to eat anything. There are days wherein I cannot stop eating and there are days where I hardly eat. So it was one of those days, a clear example of how it shouldn't go. At least have 3 to 4 meals, but I could have like just 2 big meals and my protein shake. That's it, and a snack of almonds. So it's okay to mess up sometimes, but that does not mean you don't have a next day. So just keep going and I hope you are enjoying these vlogs. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Bye.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred